Hi everyone, let's walk through how to use our company comparison asset builder. Today I will be using our demo account to explain how to do this. First, log into your Best Company account, then navigate to the Reputation Marketing tab on the left. Next, click Create Custom Asset at the top. You'll see the company comparison asset builder on the right-hand side. Click Create Asset to get started. The first thing you're going to want to choose is who to compare your company against. Click the Compare With drop-down menu, and you will see a list of many of your different competitors within your industry. You can choose one of them or select Industry Average at the top. There are also a variety of data points that you can feature in your company comparison. They are all automatically toggled on, but you can turn any of them off to create a customized comparison. Once you have decided which data points you would like to include and turned all of them on, click the Download button at the bottom and select the format. Hopefully this has been helpful. Good luck using our company comparison asset builder.